First question. In general, in a recursive and non-recursive implementation of a problem or program. Option A. Both time and space complexities are better in recursive than in non-recursive program. Option B. Both time and space complexities are better in non-recursive than in recursive program. Option C. Time complexity is better in recursive version but space complexity is better in non-recursive version of the program. Option D. Space complexity is better in recursive version but time complexity is better in non-recursive version of the program. Answer is option B. Both time and space complexities are better in non-recursive than in recursive program. Next one. When we pass an array as an argument to a function, what actually gets passed? And answer is base address of the array. Next one, converting a primitive type data into its corresponding wrapper class object instance is called option A boxing, option B wrapping, option C instantiation, option D auto boxing. Answer is option D auto boxing. Next one, the control string in C++ consists of three important classifications of characters. Answer is format specifiers, white space characters and non-white space characters. Next one, software mistakes during coding are known as option A errors, option B failures, option C bugs, option D defects. Answer is option C bugs. Next one, cyclomatic complexity method comes under which testing method? Option A yellow box, option B white box, option C grey box, option D black box. Answer is option B white box. Next one, what is the defect rate for 6 sigma? Answer is 3.4 defects per million lines of code. Next one, MTBF means. Option A mean time between failure, option B master time buffer feature, option C most treated buffer time, option D master testbot feature. Answer is option A mean time between failure. Next one, which of the following is the structural model that demonstrates the other system in the environment of the system being developed? Option A system context model, option B interaction model, option C environmental model, option D both system context and interaction. Answer is option A system context model. Next one, which of the following UML diagram has a static view? Option A collaboration, option B use case, option C state chart, option D activity. Answer is option B use case. Next one, the domain name used for commercial website is option A gov, option B .com, option C .net, option D .mil. Answer is option B .com. Next one, if any NP complete problem is in P class, then answer is P equals NP. Option A Hamiltonian cycle problem, option B partition problem, option C halting problem, option D bin packing. Answer is option C halting problem. Next one, the running time of Kruskal's algorithm for a graph G equal to V, E. For finding minimum spanning tree is option A, O of E log 2 V. Option B, O of E plus V log 2 V. Option C, O of E square. Option D, O of V square. Answer is option A, O of E log 2 V. Next one, which of the following problem is not NP complete? Option A, Hamiltonian cycle problem. Option B, click problem. Option C, traveling salesman problem. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option D, none of the above. Next one, which of the following problem is not NP complete but undecidable? Next one, which of the following is linear data structures? Option A, array. Option B, linked list. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option C, both A and B. Array, linked list. Next one, which of the following data structure is frequently used to implement priority queue? Option A, stack. Option B, heap. Option C, tree. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, heap. Next one, a list in which contain nodes of different types. Option A, homogeneous list. Option B, heterogeneous list. Option C, doubly linked list. Option D, none of the above. Answer is option B, heterogeneous list.